It's another day, another opportunity to learn something about the real estate industry from the Real Estate Explorer. This is Lands and Cribs, your real estate guide, where we don't just tell you things, but we show you. It is all about education and enlightenment about construction, investment, and development in the real estate climb. Now, today we're taking you up toward the sky. And what do we mean by the sky? We're going to show you how the crown of a building is constructed. What is the crown of a building? The crown of the building is the roof. And today we're going to talk about the dangers associated with poor construction of the roof. Now, today in this episode, I'm going to be speaking with our professional builder Ovie of Restaurant Projects, and he's going to show us what can happen when there is poor construction of the roof. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. This is Lands and Cribs, where we don't just tell you things, but we also what we show you. Thank you.
Good day, I am Builder Ovie, and we are right here in one of our sites in Lagos. The project we are having here today is roofing project. We are currently on the roofing construction here, and you can see we are currently on the woodworks. That is the roof frameworks, or we can call it the roof members, the roof wood members. And just as a way of identification, you can see one of the wood members for the roof is a wall plate. See, this is a wall plate. This is the tie beam resting on the wall plate. This is the rafter. The rafter is what gives us the slope of the roof. And this is struts. The struts which has as a grazing between our tie beam and the rafter. This is the four line linings at equal spaces where we place our roofing sheet on top. So the spaces actually of the spaces of the four line is depends on the roof covering we are using, whether we are using a long span aluminum roof or we are using a stone coated roof. Another member I will show you which is very important during roof construction is our king post. This is a king post. King post is what gives the height of the roof. So when you are talking about roof height, is actually a function of our king post. So today we'll be talking about some common defects that we have during roof construction or after roof construction. So these common defects are easy to identify. So knowing these defects in roof construction will cause us to have at the end of the day a long-standing roof structure. So we'll be identifying, talking about these common defects, especially the primary and the common ones that we see in buildings.
Okay, we shall be identifying the common defects that we have during roof construction. One of them, which is very common, is improper design of roof. Improper design of roof can be seen in the aspect of poor sloping of the roof. Like I said before, I make mention of the rafter. Which give the slope of the roof. So this is the rafter. This is the rafter, and the rafter is a reference to the king post. So the height of this king post is what we give the slope which the rafter will represent. So improper design, like I said, is as a result in poor sloping of the roof, and also what we also see as an improperly designed roof is sagging of the roof and poor drainage. So this defect can cause accumulation of water, of retention of water in the roof, which can deteriorate the roof members.
So
All right, like you can see the neighboring buildings opposite this site. You can see the roof. There's a very good slope we have there. So there will be no retention of water. It's a very good slope. Water will easily drain off the roof sheet easily. So there will be no retention of water that will deteriorate the members of the roof. All right, another defect we have in roof is what we call the wind effect on roof. So wind effect on roof is as a result of roof constructed in a windy area. So any roof constructed in a windy area, there's a development of upward pressure in the roof. So this upward pressure it can either rip off the edges of the roof or rip off the membranes of the roof. There are cases of roof that are, as a result of wind, the roof structure is only ripped off from the building and deposited in the neighboring compound or off the building. So these are result of wind effect on roof. Now, to avoid this wind effect on roof, we normally introduce what we call the belting of the wall plates during roof construction. As you can see here, you can see this roof iron belt. You can see this is a roof iron belt that's used to belt this the wall plates. This roof iron belt is normally cast with the lintel. It's cast with the lintel. Then during roof construction, we used to belt the wall plate to anchor, to fasten it with the building so it can be framed with the building. This is a roof bed. You can see that's the roof bed. You can see, a reinforcement coming out of the column that's also used to belt the wall plates. So this will help to curb the effect of wind load. And again, in terms of the roofing sheet, at times there are some wind they tend to rip off the membranes or the roof covering of the roof. So to avoid this, you have to ensure the roofing sheet are well fastened to the pole line and the rafter of the roof. Another very important defect during roof construction is poor materials. Poor materials in terms of both the woods and the roofing sheets. The usage of, for example, there are quality and not quality woods that are used in roof construction. There are some woods you use for roofing construction. After some time, the roof begins to bring out dust. As it bringing out dust, is gradually reducing in size, and after some time, it breaks off. So this can cause instability in roof, because when a member that is framed with the roofing framework is no longer there, that means there will be instability at that particular point. And there are also some woods that are prone to termite attack. So when termite they eat up this wood, it also at times it will deteriorate the woods and also lead to future breakage of the woods. So these are results of poor materials. Now there are some good recommendable woods that are used for roofing in Lagos. Among them, we have the Akun products. Itara is also a good wood, and we also have another one called Oridudu. And then we have Melina, which is more used for pole. So those are good recommendable woods during wood construction. Like the woods we have here is a combination of both, combination of Akun, it's a very strong wood, Akun wood and Itara wood. So this can give you, a good roof structure that will last over time. And again, another point we need to know for poor roofing material is substandard size, especially during the procurement or the purchase of wood. For example, 2x2 wood. When you are to use a 2x2 wood, for example, for your rafter, for example, and you bring a substandard size of 2x2. So substandard size of 2x2 is like 1.5 by 3 inches of wood used. during wood construction. So this will not give an acceptable rigidity of your roof. So these are defects or poor materials that can, result in your roof not lasting at the required time. All right, another area of observation after roof construction is placing of loads on top the roofing sheet. It is not healthy for the roofing sheet. For example, it's very common you see people placing solar panel directly on top roof. This can cause deterioration of the roofing sheet. It is more hygienic to frame a structure on the roof before you place your solar panel on top. It's more healthy for a roof, for you to have a long-lasting roof. So these are wrong practices of roofing work. All right, another very important practices you can adopt after roof construction to give you a long-lasting and good-looking roof is to practice a good maintenance culture. So you need to, it's better, like it has been always said, preventive maintenance are the type of maintenance you can apply on any building structures. It is more cost effective to do a preventive maintenance on buildings than doing a corrective maintenance or reactive maintenance. So one of the practices you adopt during your preventive maintenance for your roof is to carry out regular inspection of your roof members to know if are there termites that are eating up your wood. Is your wood bringing out dust? And note, there are preventive measures for termite attack on your wood. So when you buy your woods, because you wouldn't know what decision would be in terms of termite, roofing wood can be treated with chemicals like Soligon, which can drive away termites from your roof. So with time, you can, those these practices can be adopted of applying, anti-termite treatment to your woods to give a long-lasting roof members. Carry out regular inspection of your roof. Check which are there some rip-off of the roof coverings of roofing sheet during loads. So this need to be checked so that your roofing can be in shape, can be good looking, and last.
Now you've heard about the crown of a building, because the roof is the crown of every building. It is what covers the building. Now you have heard from our professional about the dangers of poor roofing construction. Now that is why you need to get professionals to handle your building projects. Now till we meet again, it's goodbye from us. And if you're new to this channel, I would just encourage you to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when we upload new videos, you will be the first to know about it. Keep on watching Lands and Cribs. Goodbye.